Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use sentiment analysis in JavaScript. So here you will need index.js file and I have opened it inside my VS Code, and you have to open your terminal and write npm space init to initialize your app. Just press enter to skip these parts, and now you have to write npm space install space sentiment, and here I will use sentiment library to use the sentiment analysis. So now if you go inside your project directory and open package.json file, you can see inside the dependencies sentiment is there. Now I'm going to write code inside index.js file. So write var sentiment equals to require, and then enter the module name, that is sentiment here, and then write var sentiment obj, and here sentiment obj is the object of that particular module. So write var sentiment obj equals to new sentiment, create an object of it. Now write var docs equals to, write the object name sentiment object dot analyze. So analyze is a method here to analyze a particular line. So I'm giving a line I like mango. Okay, now just to show you, I'm just console logging. So write console.log and inside it just pass the variable docx and go to your terminal and write node space index.js to run this particular JavaScript file, and you can see all the parameters that you will need to analyze the sentiment. Alright, you can also use it for array. I mean, you can also pass more than one lines to analyze the sentiment. So I'm showing you that. Write var docs, and inside the array I'm just writing two lines here, like I like mango and something like it is a rainy day. Alright, so what you need to do is you need to check the sentiment of particular element of this array. So I will write docs dot for each. So for each element I will check the sentiment. So I pass a callback function here, and the parameters will be s, and s is the particular element of that particular array. So inside the callback function just write sentiment object dot analyze, and here you need to pass s, that is the exact element which are coming from the array. So what I will do is I will store it inside a variable named x, and I will just console log it to show you. So write console.log and pass the variable x, and remove the line, it is no longer needed here. So if you go back to the terminal and write node index.js to run that file, you can see the changes here, and this time you can see the sentiment analysis for two lines. So thank you for watching. Please click on the subscribe and like button if you like this video. Thank you.